Hello, you beautiful people. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. And turn that notification bell on so you don't miss any of my future videos. Today I have a W7 haul, so I've got a little box of goodies to go through with you today. They very kindly give me a £50 voucher for me to shop on the website, so this is what I got from my voucher. How huge is this bubble wrap, by the way? Oh, that was loud. Wow. Anyways, so some of the stuff that I got in here was intentionally for me to do dupes videos. I am building it up. There will be W7 videos coming, I promise. I'm just getting around to it. I promise it's coming. And there's some things in here that I've just really wanted to try for ages. But yeah, to be fair, most of it I bought to do dupe videos for you. So the things that I bought just because I wanted them are these bad boys. So obviously some lip liners and a lipstick because it's me. So yeah, I just want to say as well, thank you so much to W7 for gifting me a voucher for £50. It was actually ages ago that they gave me it. And I remember one day I put everything in my basket and I went to check out and I just didn't. I don't know why. So last week I was like, do you know what? I forgot to use that voucher. So here we are. So I picked up 4 of the lip liners. I've kept the little thing so I can tell you how much everything is. These lip liners were only £3. How absolutely amazing is that? By the way, I do have a discount code for W7. It's Luce10. It's not affiliate. I don't earn any money from it or anything. It just helps to save you 10%. So yeah, I'll leave it linked down below if you want to use that. So these are the 4 that I picked up. Very clearly Lucy colours because it's me. All nudes. Apart from this one's a bit more of a vampy reddy nude. Very nice. Very nice. So these are the Lip Twister lip liners, and it looks like the bottom might come off and have a little sharpener. So this one is the shade Nude. Then we have Shiraz, which looks like this, Rust, and then the last one is Brown. Nice and simple, brown. So that's them 3. Like I said, they were £3 each. And then I also got the Very Vegan Intense Cream Lipstick. This is in the shade Carnation, and this was only £3.95. And I absolutely love the Very Vegan foundation. I just thought, why not just try the lipstick? And it looked a really pretty colour. Let me just open this. I'm a bit tight on time because I'm filming this before I go and get my nails done. And this is what it looks like. Absolutely stunning. Ooh, it smells really nice. It smells like a MAC lipstick. It smells really nice. So yeah, I picked up that from the Very Vegan range, and then the rest of it is all things that I wanted to do dupe videos for you guys. So the first one is the W7 Prime View Eyeshadow Primer. I'm sorry, obviously this is a big bad boy. It's not normally this big, but you can't tell me that doesn't look like a dupe. So this retails for £4.95, and I got the shade 01. I think there's only a couple of shades in this, a bit like the Revolution one, whereas obviously P. Louise has such a big shade range when it comes to her bases. Another thing that I got to see if it is a dupe, this is the Honolulu Silhouette Bronze and Contour Palette. This is the brown one, obviously, which is the bronzer. This is $5.99. This is what it looks like. And inside, it looks like this. So obviously, it has their famous Honolulu bronzer in, which is meant to be a dupe for Benefits bronzer, like Hoola. But what I really love about this is it has 4 different shades in it. So it's kind of got, sorry, I'm just trying to rip this off. Jesus. It has what I'm assuming would be a dupe for Hoola Light, for normal Hoola, Hoola Caramel, and then Hoola Toasted, but all in one palette for $5.99. Absolutely amazing. So yeah, really excited to try it. And it even has a mirror in it as well. Yeah, I'm really excited. This, I got to see if it's a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Breezy highlighter. So this is just what it looks like. This is the W7 Ice and Bright highlighter, and this was, how much were you? $4.95. Oh my god, stunning. And it is an icy highlighter, but it has little bits of gold in it, which is just right up my street. Absolutely right up my street. I don't know if you can see. Maybe. I think maybe when the light goes a little bit, I'm not sure, but it's stunning, and we will definitely be doing a little comparison. I'll show you this one up close as well, just in case you want to see. And then this is just what that looks like. So that one will honestly be really good if somebody has really fair skin. But you could also use these as eyeshadows as well. So you could have like your face palette and eyeshadows all in one. Really nice. Very nice. And then the last two things that I got are some palettes. And these are meant to be Huda Beauty dupes. Just from looking at them, like you can just tell that they look like Huda Beauty. So these were both $9.95 each. This is the Total Eclipse palette, and I got these so I could do like one eye with Huda, one eye with W7, and we can see which one's which. This is just what it looks like, and then this is it up close. Absolutely stunning, like stunning. The shimmers in this look unbelievable, and it reminds me of the Mercury Retrograde palette from Huda Beauty, which looks like this. And that's what they look like side by side. So yeah, I am ridiculously excited to see what this is like, and whether the formula looks the same, whether you could save like a ridiculous amount of money by just getting the W7 one, or whether this one is actually worth paying that little bit more for. So yeah, that's for me to do a little review on them too. And then the other one, this is their new palette that they're coming out. I think I'm getting this in PR, so if that's the case, I might do a giveaway with it when I actually do my review. See whether, because they've mentioned that they're going to send us it in PR in our little, we have like a little Instagram group for W7, and they've mentioned that they're going to send it to us in PR, but I don't know if they actually are going to, and I already ordered this by this point anyway. So this is the W7 My Atlantis palette, and I mean, as soon as I show you this, you're going to know exactly what Huda palette this is duping. This is what it looks like. Can you tell yet? I mean, come on. If you can get the same formula or the same kind of look for $9.95 instead of the Huda Beauty price, why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you? There is a few little differences, like this one looks a bit different to this one, and this one looks a little bit darker than that one. And yeah, that is everything that I got for £50, which I think is amazing. That's like 2 eyeshadow palettes, a highlighter, a lipstick, 4 lip liners, and an eye primer, and also a face palette. I think that's absolutely amazing for, I think it was like £53 or £51 or something. So yeah, that is everything that I got from my £50 W7 voucher. Thank you so much W7 again for gifting me this, and hopefully it can help to save you money by me comparing it to the more high-end, really expensive version of it. Thank you so much to my patrons for being so lovely. I will hopefully see you in another video very soon. Don't forget I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, and sometimes there will be some bonus videos in between, so I'll hopefully see you on one of them days. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Ooh, got notifications going off. Love you. Bye.